Hey guys, welcome to my bathroom. Today's video is going to be a different one. I'm going to be talking all about skincare, and I'm actually going to be decluttering my skincare collection, I guess you could call it. So I have all of my stuff here in my bathroom, and I thought that it would just be so much easier to do the declutter in here versus bringing it all into my room to show you guys there. So this is where I keep all of my skincare stuff, and I'm going to show you an overview of all the different stuff that I have, and then I'm going to go through what stuff I'll be getting rid of. So this right here is an overview of all of my skincare products. The bottom section right here is all of my everyday stuff that I use, and then up here is more of like my travel minis and stuff like that, and the stuff up there I haven't used in a while, so I'm definitely gonna have to go through that as well and just kind of declutter everything. So this is an overview of all of the stuff I need to go through and declutter. I did keep my essentials here because I use them every single day, and then I emptied these two sections up here because those ones are the ones that I don't use as often. So I'm just gonna keep that there, and I can go over that later with you guys. So now I'm gonna start tackling this, going through everything, putting things aside that I don't think are really worth it or things that I just don't use. These things are incredible for stacking up all of your skincare products. I have all of my minis in here, which are perfect for traveling, and I can stack 4 on top of each other, which really utilizes the height of the cupboard. Okay, so now I'm done going through all of my skincare, and I've kind of divided it. These things over here are what I'm getting rid of or passing on to my sister. This is actually Wes's, so I'm gonna give that back to him. And then I've kind of reorganized these containers, and once I start putting things back, I'm going to continue to use more of these containers to make sure everything has its own spot. And then I just added this exfoliator to my main essentials for skincare, just so that's in its right spot. And then I'm going to continue to put everything that I'm keeping back up here. Now that I have everything in its little compartments all organized, I can now put it back in the shelves. So now that I've finished organizing everything, this is the stuff I'm getting rid of. This kind of irritated my gums because I have really sensitive teeth. This is one of those charcoal toothpastes, the teeth whitener. So I'm gonna pass this on to my sister because I know she really likes it. This right here is the, I'm not sure if you can see it, but this is the Boscia Cactus Cream, and this really broke me out when I first used it, so I'm just gonna pass this on and not test it out anymore. These two products have a ton of scent in them and it really irritates my sensitive skin, so I'm just gonna pass those on to someone else. This one is the Glam Glow Mask, the Thirsty Mud, I believe it's called, and it's dried out inside, so I'm just gonna get rid of this. This is a serum that I got from Winners and it just doesn't really do much for me, so I'm gonna pass this on to a friend who would really like this. And then this was a tester a while ago that I never really used, so I'm just gonna pass this on to my mom. That's the overview of the skincare that I'm getting rid of. So this is my everyday skincare that I didn't change except adding that exfoliator in there. This right here is what I decluttered, and I organized it with all of those acrylic containers and put my deodorant on the side and my Clinique balm up there, and everything just fits really perfectly, and I have 5 containers in there, which is pretty awesome. Utilizing the height of the cupboard is really essential when using up all that space. And then up here are my travel essentials, so these are just things that I don't use on a daily basis and only when I travel.